So in our previous session, we were talking about what is cloud, what are different cloud companies are there, what is Oracle Cloud, and what are different cloud products how in Oracle environment. This all we have discussed. Now we are talking about what is Fusion Applications. So Fusion Applications is one of the ERP software or product or application. ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Plan. Enterprise Resource Plan. If there is any enterprise, let's say Heritage Foods Private Limited is one of the enterprise. Enterprise nothing but company. What's their business? They do the retail industry. They'll be selling the goods to the customers, food industries, food related, like supermarket type. So they have around 500 branches in India. In every branch, almost 20 to 30 employees are working and administration, and it's more than 400 crores turnover per year. Right. So in every branch, every day, they'll be selling the goods to the customers. When they are selling the goods to customer or when they are purchasing the material, their sales, their procurement, daily their payments, receivables, and their accounting transactions, their employee salaries, their employee leaves, their employee benefits. This is all they wanted to maintain. They want to maintain all this data in every branch. There will be some thousands of records from every branch per day. All this data they wanted to maintain in a servers. Okay. So to maintain all this business in a proper methodology, all these business transactions, they need a software. They want to maintain their accounts. They want to maintain their employees' data, employee salaries data, employee leaves data. They want to maintain their inventory information, nothing but their stores, like inventory, procurement, order management, manufacturing, this all. So they want to maintain their complete CRM data, nothing but customer feedbacks, customer service requests, customer satisfaction, customer requirements, maintain the relationship with the customers. This all data they have to maintain, right? So to maintain all this information, so this client required some business applications. This client is required some business applications. That application, we call it as a ERP application. So what is ERP software? ERP software is nothing but enterprise resource planning. If there are any enterprises maintain their business, to maintain their complete business transactions, whatever they do in their branches day to day, if they want to maintain their data, then they will be using the ERP softwares. They'll be using the ERP softwares. What are different ERPs are there in the market? What are different ERP products are available in the market? We have SAP, we have Oracle applications, and we have Siebel, we have JD Edwards ERP software, and we have PeopleSoft, and we have now Fusion applications, and we have Salesforce, and we have Workday. This all are, and we have Microsoft Dynamics. These all are ERP softwares. These all are ERP applications. So it depends on the client. Client can buy any of this ERP products according to their requirement. They can get a licensed software and start using the product. Okay. So Oracle has got multiple ERP products. One is Oracle applications. We used to call it as EBS, e-business suite, Oracle applications. Another one is JD Edwards. Another one is PeopleSoft. When they started, SAP is there from 1994. Oracle application also is there from 1994. Siebel, JD Edwards, PeopleSoft, all these three companies are merged with Oracle in 2007. In 2007, all these companies are merged with Oracle. So no more Siebel, no more JD Edwards, and no more PeopleSoft. So how many ERP softwares are there with Oracle company? 4 ERP products are there. 4 different ERP applications are there with Oracle. And then Oracle has developed the new ERP software in 2015 called Oracle Fusion Applications. Oracle Fusion Applications. These many ERP softwares are there in the Oracle. Oracle company has developed. So then Salesforce Cloud is there, Workday is there, but these two are small, not much. They don't have much functionality. For example, if any manufacturing client is there, if manufacturing client says that I want to maintain my accounts information, then all these people are say yes, we have that facility. If I want to maintain my sales data, yes, we have the procurement data I want to maintain, yes, we have. I want to maintain my employees data, yes, we have. But I have a manufacturing business. I want to maintain my inventory information, my godowns information, manufacturing business information I want to maintain. Nobody will come. Only 2 people are there, either Oracle or SAP. Oracle and SAP both are competitors in the ERP market since 1994. Both Oracle and SAP, both are ERP products they have and they are selling to the customers, and both are competitors in the market. Okay, so here Oracle has got this Fusion applications in 2015 with cloud-based. This ERP products are not having cloud functionality. Nowadays, any client, if you go to any client and tell to that client saying that I have a ERP software, the first question the customer is asking, do you have a cloud facility? Whenever you try to sell your product, your ERP product to the customer, the first thing what they are asking is it having cloud facility? The kind of straight question, is your ERP software support cloud? If it is supporting to the cloud environment, do you have your own cloud? Means, do you have your own data centers? If you have your own data centers, then it is fine. Oracle has got their own data centers, but SAP does not have their own data centers. They are depending on someone else. SAP is depending on someone else, but Oracle is not depending. They have started establishing the data centers across the world in every country. Just now we have seen in our previous session, there are 2 data centers in India itself. There are 2 data centers. Oracle has opened data centers in Middle East countries, Singapore, Malaysia, almost all the regions in the world. Around 25 data centers they have opened. They're planning to go for around 50 down the line. It means you go to any country in the world, Oracle has got data center. What this data centers contains? Servers. So the clients who are there in that country or out of country also, they can manage their entire data in these servers. Like how the cloud, like you might have seen different cloud centers in different countries for both Amazon, Microsoft, same way Oracle also we have. But compared to Amazon or Microsoft Azure, Oracle has got more secure and more products and more tools in their cloud environment. So what Oracle is telling, Fusion applications ERP software is 100% cloud-based. There is no doubt about it. It's 100% cloud-based. The second one is This particular product you can go for use in all the three devices. Means you can access from your desktop, you can access from your tab piece, and you can access from smartphone. You can operate it. So this ERP software, excuse me, this ERP product can be accessible from all the three devices. It's got mobility. It's got mobility. So all these three people can access, you can access your employees, customers, your suppliers can access the product from all the three devices. Yes. And it is compatible for all these three. The third one is excellent analytics are there in this Fusion application. Now we have to understand what is analytics. Analytics is nothing but we have to analyze the business. After analyzing the business, we need to give some predictions to the client. For example, if I'm going to take the client's last 5 years business data, then I need to analyze this data, process it, and finally we have to show them what could be the future business for this. How your business will be in the next quarter. How about your business in the next year? How your customers are thinking about your product, how your customers are moving to another competitors. So what we have to do to stop this entire migrations like this. So this all we have to analyze and we have to predict and we have to inform to our customer. Then customer says that you will be happy with the analytics. That is available here it is. And social sites integration. Integrations are very important nowadays. What is meant by integration? If we look at in the real time, the clients may not be satisfied with one product. When the clients are doing some business, to maintain their business data in a proper procedure, they may not be satisfying with one business application. Definitely, they will be using multiple applications to maintain all the data. When the clients are using multiple applications, we have to manage the data between these applications through the integrations. If clients are using multiple applications, how we can exchange the data from one application to another application? Nothing but one system to another system. How we can go for migrate. This is called an integrations. Sometimes we need to exchange the data in social media also, in different social networks also. It's not only Facebook or LinkedIn or YouTube or WhatsApp or any other social network. There are some hundreds of business networks, professional networks are there. If I want to maintain my company brand value, if I would like to increase the company brand value, I need to be always on the limelight. I need to be always on publish about my products or service or achievements all on the social sites. It's not only the products, sometimes you need some inputs, so you will try to publish into the market. Connecting with the Naukri, connecting with the LinkedIn, connecting with the Facebook, connecting with the YouTube channels, like that. So depends on the business. Every client wants to have an integration with the social sites. That should be very easy. Then the client will be happy. So the clients are expecting all these features nowadays. Whenever any salesperson goes to the cloud company, any company says that we have ERP product, then the clients are expecting majorly these features. So Oracle don't have these features in the previous ERP software. Oracle does not have all these features 100% in the previous ERP products. That's why what Oracle has done, they started building the new ERP product right from the scratch in 2012, and they built in 2015 and delivered into the market. In 2015, they have delivered into the market. Here it is. Okay. So this is what Oracle says next generation ERP product. Next generation ERP product. SAP cannot compete in future. There is no doubt about it. It's on record. There is no chance for SAP to become a leader in cloud ERP because they don't have their own data centers. They have to depend on someone else. And they don't have other tools to manage the things. So all these features are not having in the current ERP. But Fusion Applications has got excellent tools, cloud, desktop, and access to the mobility and analytics and social sites integrations, all this. So we call this as a next generation ERP product. So Oracle says that this is a next generation ERP product. So if any client wants to maintain their complete business transactions like financials, accounts, report, procurement, sales, their HR data, then they can use the ERP product. So Fusion Applications is the best ERP product which is available in the market right now and in future also it is. Okay. These all are small, not much. Salesforce, Workday, Microsoft Dynamics, these all are not competitor with Fusion because Fusion has got vast modules and large complaints can also satisfy with this product. Earlier SAP was there, it was good. It was a good competitor for Oracle, but now with all these features, SAP is not there. SAP is not that much fast in the cloud environment compared to Oracle. Compared to Oracle, it is now. Okay. So when we talk about Fusion Applications, we said Fusion Applications is one of the ERP product. When I say ERP product, there will be a financials, Fusion Financials. There will be a Fusion Human Capital Management. There will be a Supply Chain Management. And there will be a CRM, Customer Relationship Management, Project Portfolio Management, Oracle Recruitment Cloud, and there will be a Risk Management, and there will be a different domains we have. Public sector also is there. A lot of management tools. Whenever client decided I want to use Fusion Applications ERP software, in that all these different domains are there. Nothing but different modules are there. It's up to the client what they want to implement. It's up to the client. So in this, we are talking about HCM, Human Capital Management. Financials will be learned by the MBA Finance or Chartered Accountants or people who are from accounting background, who want to learn accounting background people, they will be learning the financials. Human Capital Management can learn anybody. If you are just graduate, having some knowledge about the HR, then fine. Even if you do not have the knowledge about the basic HR also, the people has learned and they started working and they are working. So Human Capital Management is one of the HR product which is used to maintain the employees' data. Supply Chain Management is nothing but a procurement and sales data. CRM, Customer Relationship Management data, nothing but call centers data. PPM, Project Portfolio Management data. ORC, Oracle Recruitment Cloud, and Risk Management. And organization, public sector like municipalities, corporations, police stations, laws, educational sector. There are different public sector, right? Government sectors. To maintain that government sectors, we have a separate modules. Now we are talking about HCM, Human Capital Management. In Human Capital Management, we have different modules. Global HR module is there. This is used to maintain the employees' data. Role is there to maintain employee salaries. Absence management is there to maintain the employees' leaves management. employee leave management, options management, talent management module is there to maintain employee talent, nothing but goals, performance profile, talent notifications, success and talent review, these modules. And OTL is there, time and labor. If you want to maintain your employees' shift timings and all, time and labor, compensation is there, employees compensation, benefits are there, employee benefits are there, Oracle recruitment, entire employee recruitment process, we have ORC module is there. These all are the different modules are there in human capital management. In this, if you are applying for a jobs, there are two types of jobs in Fusion applications. One is functional, another one is technical. There will be two jobs, functional and technical. You apply for any domain, you go for finance, there will be two, finance functional, finance technical. You go for HCM, HCM technical, HCM functional, HCM technical. This particular course, what we are going to provide is purely functional consultant, human capital management functional consultant. We don't require any coding. What we need, a good English, because functional consultant needs to interact with the clients or on-site managers or the project managers who are there or business users, right? So we need a good English, right? So that's the functional consultant prerequisite. You may be a graduation, a BCom graduate or BSc graduate or BTech or MCA or MBA, it doesn't matter how good you are in English. If you are at intermediate level in English, at least you can go for improve your English in the next level and start speaking in English. Then you are eligible for that. And now in the market right now, 2 to 5 years experience, minimum 2 years they are expecting, and maximum 5 years. Market is very high. It will be there in next 5 years. Till 2025, this market will be there. Because this is just a starting journey. I don't know about other technologies like others. Maybe once you enter into those technologies, you need to change the technology after some time. Once you get more experience, once you are get package is more. But Oracle not required. You can retire in the Oracle technologies because a lot of things, new things will be coming and introduced to the customers. They can be a master in those all areas going forward and start working on that. Okay, so this particular course is for complete functional here. Okay, so global HR, payroll, options management, and talent management. Minimum 3 modules will be expected by the customers. Now the requirement is at least 2 or 3 modules they will be expected. We are going to learn all these 4 modules. Global HR module, payroll module, options management, and talent management. 100% we are going to learn functional. And then these all are advanced modules, OTL, compensation, benefits, and awards. People who are already working, they will learn these modules because without having these modules knowledge, you cannot learn this one. This is advanced. If somebody says that I'll learn advanced directly, not possible. Because if you want to learn OTL, time and labor, first you have to learn these 2 modules. Without global HR and payroll knowledge, you cannot learn OTL or any other. So that's why the people who are applying for a job in the initial stage, learning these modules, then once you get experience 2 to 3 years in the real time, then you will try to migrate into these modules. Okay. So global HR is mandatory, everybody has to learn and be master in that. Then after that, payroll and options and talent. These 4 modules we are going to learn in our course. Okay. As I said, functional and technical. If you are a technical consultant, if you are interested towards to the technical, then you can go for learning technical also. Basic English, SQL is required. What are the prerequisites to learn HCM technical? in Fusion, if you want to go for it, then you need to go for basic SQL. You must have a basic SQL over here. Okay. So that's how we are going to learn the things here, SQL technical. So this course we are going to conduct here is a functional. This is a human capital management functional course. It does not require any technical stuff and no prerequisites. If you are good in English, then you can easily learn this. And the market is very hot now. Everybody can be placed. You can contact our training coordinator. You have our number, right? So through that, you'll be able to communicate with that. WhatsApp. And go for regarding the placement information. So what we have discussed here, we have talked about what is ERP software, what is Fusion applications, what is Fusion applications, who are the competitors in the market for Fusion applications, what are different domains we have in Fusion, finance, human capital, supply chain management, and what are human capital management modules. We are learning Fusion HCM. And what are the modules we have total and what modules we are going to learn and what are different jobs we have here and what are the prerequisites are required for this we have discussed, right? So this is about the applications HCM part. Someone is asking the question, is Fusion is nothing but a cloud? No, Fusion is not cloud. Cloud is nothing but a server. It's a hardware. Cloud is nothing but a server. Indirectly, it is a server. It's a virtual server. Fusion is one of the software which is installed in the cloud. Fusion is one of the software which is installed in the cloud. In which cloud it is installed? Oracle Cloud. So Oracle Cloud is there, means Oracle servers are there. In Oracle servers, there are number of softwares are there, number of products are there. Client can using those products. Client can using those products, right? So Fusion is one of the ERP application. Let's say simple. Let's say this is my cloud. D drive is there. This is my laptop. In that D drive is there. This is called cloud. In D drive, there are different softwares. There are different softwares. Like that, Fusion applications is one of the software. I want to use that software. For example, in this system, I have MS Office is there. In this system, I have Microsoft Office is there, Microsoft PowerPoint is there, Teams is there, Store is there. Like that, in Oracle servers also, there are number of tools are there. So Fusion applications is one of the ERP tool or ERP product. ERP product. That is the difference. So people gets confused about Fusion Cloud, Fusion applications. Cloud is different. Cloud is nothing. It's as simple as it's a server. Cloud is nothing but a server. In that server, the software is there. Fusion applications is one of the software it is. Okay. So this is about the Fusion applications, human capital management, first demo, what we have discussed. Okay. So let's meet tomorrow on the same time and same meeting ID. Tomorrow we'll be going for learning about applications environment, Fusion applications environment, how it looks like, what are different environments we have in Fusion, different offerings, different tools or roles are required to access the product. So this demo session I'm going to upload in this YouTube video. You can access from here directly. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for your valuable time you have spent with me here. And contact our administrator regarding the enrollment process and all. We are going to have 3 demo sessions, as I said, tomorrow and day after tomorrow. Monday also we will be having 3 continuous demo sessions. Please connect with that. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for joining with us. Thank you.